Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW X3 versus Range Rover Evoque. We'll dive into their core differences, helping you decide which luxury compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. The X3 is known for its dynamic performance, while the Evoque shines with its sophisticated design. We'll explore everything from engine options to interior comfort, ensuring you have all the facts. When it comes to performance, the BMW X3 often takes the lead with its powerful engine options. You'll find it delivers a more engaging and sporty drive, perfect for those who enjoy spirited motoring. The Evoque, however, offers a refined and comfortable ride, excelling in urban environments and light off-roading. Its suspension is tuned for a plush experience, making daily commutes a breeze. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh, whether you're packing lunch or storing leftovers. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Stepping inside, the Range Rover Evoque impresses with its elegant and modern interior. High-quality materials and a sleek design create a truly luxurious atmosphere. The BMW X3, on the other hand, provides a more practical and driver-centric cabin. Its iDrive system is renowned for ease of use, and there's ample space for passengers and cargo. Both offer excellent tech. Considering value and practicality, the BMW X3 typically provides more usable cargo space, making it a great choice for families or those needing extra room. The Evoque's smaller footprint is a definite advantage for urban dwellers, simplifying parking and navigating tight streets. While both are premium vehicles, the X3 might offer a slight edge in long-term ownership costs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.